So what's up everyone, hope you are doing well. I'm doing well too. Today in this video we will be learning to delete a created group chat in ChatGPT app. So let's start. Open your ChatGPT app, then swipe from left to right and you can see new group chat. In the last video I have created this group chat. So today in this video I will be deleting this group chat. So press on it and you can see delete group in the last option. If I click on it, then it asks for confirmation. If I click on delete, then your group chat has been deleted. So hope this video will help you and I will see you in the next video. Thank you everyone. Take care.